Hello, my friends, Amy D. Cohen. So I want to talk to you today about reverse engineering, what it is and what we do with it. When you join my Build Your Business coaching program, after we figure out all of the different products that we can make based on your specialty and adding an additional specialty if you're interested, we figure out all the different ways to bring in income streams and to help your clients. So what we do then with reverse engineering is figure out what it is you need to get to a monthly income. We've developed your products. We know all the different income streams you're bringing into the business. We've also figured out costs for your packages and all different kinds of packages that I'll talk about in my coaching program. Now we reverse engineer. Now I want to know, how much money do you want to bring in monthly? Is it 50,000, 30,000, 100,000? How much money do you want to bring into your business, A, for financial freedom, and B, to help more people? Once you figure that out, then we take a look at the products and say, okay, what is it that you need to do? You have a $15,000 package for coaching or courses. Okay, how many do you need to sell monthly in order to get to where you want to get to? And you can combine that with, you have some $15,000 packages, you have a $1,000 package. How do you figure it all so that you could bring in the income you want? And then that is what we do. That is reverse engineering. And then we work around that. Okay, how do we do that? Well, we focus maybe on specific ads for these two products or whatever products you want to bring in. So we have your claim. We know your niche audience. We know how to get to them. We have the packages that you want to give in your business, whether it's online and or in person as well. Now we have the ads to bring in your community. We target the audience then with a beautiful, beautiful, empowering close. And that is how we reverse engineer, taking it from A, then we hit those pieces, to B. All done, beautiful, perfect. Take care, my friends. Amy D. Cohen.